So I'm using our smallest Lightboard now, and we're actually filming with an iPhone sitting on a tripod about 16 inches away from the Lightboard itself. And one of the big benefits of using this small of a Lightboard is that you can actually work in a very small space. You could imagine this Lightboard could be probably 2 feet away from a wall if it needed to be. And you could throw up a quick backdrop behind you, backdrop against the wall, and you'd be ready to film with really little setup. It's also very quick to set up because it is so small, and quick to set up and quick to use. The presenter lights are actually mounted on the 2 sides, and so if you set this aside, the lights are still on it. You put it out, the lights come with, obviously, and that just makes setup really quick. And to that same note, it's portable. So if you want to use this in your office one day and then in a lecture hall the next, that's no problem. There's a handle on top of the unit. You just grab it. You can carry it real easily from place to place.